I'm excited.
Excited.
Yes, excited.
Enthusiastic.
I'm thrilled.
Nervous, obviously, with the interview, but also inspired.
Optimistic.
The key word that for me captures well this event is buzzing. It's a buzzing community that is very lively and that is very energized.
So what I find the most exciting at the moment is the development of these global thematic products from Copernicus and the fact that it gets used outside of Europe.
The networking is an important aspect of this General Assembly.
Go out from the water world in a point in time and see what other people are doing in land with the same type of data.
Africa and Europe has been involved in the application of remote sensing and Earth observation for many decades. And back in time, the process that we have followed come from critical mass building, training African scientists, to nowadays more collaboration, more co-design, more co-implementation. So CLMS is a new generation of collaboration between Europe and Africa.
Well, the first thing is I come from Chile at the end of the war. It's not easy to have networking with the people. Events are very important because in this event you can know what the people do, what the people want, and what we can do together.
Already the service is a success, but we're already thinking to the future and we're already looking into the plans. We hope that 3.0 will be even better than 2.0. Already from 2.0 to 1.0 there was a big increase in capacity but also news, and we hope that this will happen also in the next phase.
Land is of course one of the most precious resources. Providing the data connected to land, it's one of the most important things. So as much as they are based on data, as much as they are based on the scientific facts, better decisions we will reach.